The body is an orchestra. Every feature, the eyes, the hands, the posture, the voice, is an instrument. Alone, each plays a note. Together, they create a symphony. A smile without warmth in the eyes is discord. A strong voice with weak posture is contradiction. But when the body speaks as one, the truth is undeniable. In this final episode of Hidden Signals, we bring it all together, the silent symphony of the human body. Across history, the wisest leaders understood the whole body must align with the message. Roman generals stood tall, their posture echoing their commands. Arab poets gestured with hands, their faces alive with expression, their voices rhythmic. In the courts of Europe, rulers used clothing, eyes, and gestures to project authority. The signals were never isolated, they were unified performances, the body's symphony. Modern psychology calls it congruence. When words and body align, trust is built. When they do not, suspicion rises. A politician who speaks of peace but clenches fists creates dissonance. A friend who says, "I'm fine," while averting eyes creates doubt. A partner whose touch is warm while words are hesitant still communicates care. Congruence is the harmony of the silent symphony. Incongruence is the discord that betrays the truth. In everyday life, we constantly judge the orchestra. At job interviews, we sense when posture, tone, and words align. On dates, we notice when smiles are genuine or masks. Even in families, we read when silence contradicts affection. We rarely analyze it, but subconsciously, we all listen to the symphony. Liars struggle not with words, but with harmony. They may control the face, but the hands twitch. They may control the hands, but the voice cracks. They may control the voice, but the posture collapses. Deception is disharmony. Truth flows effortlessly, like music unforced. Three global figures embody the symphony of signals. Barack Obama. His speeches were not only words. His posture was upright, his gestures open, his eyes calm, his tone steady. A complete harmony of presence and persuasion. Taylor Swift. On stage, her entire body speaks. Hands reaching, posture commanding, eyes alive with emotion. Off stage, her reserved gestures and careful smiles show a different but equally congruent truth. Cristiano Ronaldo. On the field, his entire body language radiates dominance and certainty. Chest forward, arms commanding, eyes sharp. Every signal amplifies his identity as leader and competitor. Three figures, three symphonies, each unforgettable. The series began with the face. We traveled through the eyes, the hands, the posture, the voice, the adornments, and now we return to the whole. The body is a silent symphony. It whispers, it shouts, it betrays, it connects. It is the most ancient language of all. We may try to hide behind words, but the truth is always in the movement. This is the art of body language. This is the story of the human body. And this has been Hidden Signals, because every movement tells a story.